This 2024 Winnebago Vista 34R is a Class A RV. It is located in Fort Worth, Texas, 76140 and is offered for sale by McClain's RV Fort Worth. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This new Winnebago is 35 feet 5 inches in length and features Sleeps 8, Skylight, refrigerator, Slideout, auxiliary battery, awning, leveling jacks, LP detector, carbon monoxide detector, water heater, external shower, and 74 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this Class A features bunk over cab, front dinette, front entertainment, front living area, outdoor entertainment, rear bath, rear bedroom, rear entertainment, rear kitchen, U-shaped dinette. This 2024 Winnebago Vista 34R is built on a Ford chassis. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.